Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I want to share with you some selected items from a huge haul that I shared with you recently. In that haul, I just gave you a glimpse of the items, and I remember saying that I would bring the items back to you so that you could see them up close. So these are the selected items here. We have some shower curtain hooks that look like frames. We have double wooded houses. We have a beautiful, interesting box back there with the lid, some cards that I bought for 10 cents, and this middle piece here, which I believe is a plant holder. But look at how much I paid for it. Just $1. It's plastic. It's clean. Look at that. But when I saw it, I saw something specific in it. And this is just the way I look at things when I see them. Now, that looks to me like I can create a swimming pool, an above ground swimming pool in a miniature creation. I only paid $1 for it, and I can already see it. I can add the grass to it. I can even fill it up with water. It won't leak because it's all sealed. I can fill it up with water, put my people in there, add a couple of trees to the background. So there's a lot more that you can do with just this piece alone. So you will see it. You will see it in a different creation, and you will remember what I said about it. Now, besides that, there are these shower curtain hooks. These seem to be extremely old, because I already dropped 2 of them and they just broke off by themselves, just like that. But I can also twist the hook from the piece and use these pieces as wall decor in my miniature dollhouses. Or I can use them as a base for small pieces that don't stand alone. So let's see what I make with them. Then I have double wooden houses. I paid $4 for the package of 2. So that was $2 and 4 and 4. $8 for these 2 packages. Then I have this box here. Look at this. Nice clean box. Beautiful. Look at that. For Thanksgiving, it will be great. So you will see this again, and it has the lid. This is the lid. I can also use this lid in different creations. Look at that. Let me pull it out so that you can see the sides. Oh, look at inside. Look at how pretty. So look at the side. Look at that. This is definitely going to be a Thanksgiving creation. All around. Look at that, all around. It doesn't end. Let's see the back. Let's see what the back says. So it says Sugar Plum Fairy Baking Company. Package designed exclusively for the Sugar Plum Fairy Baking Company, Garden, California, the Georgia Peach Corporation. Okay, that's all it says, but look at this box. It's entirely decorated. Look at that. I can use it in so many ways. So remember, you will see this again, most likely for Thanksgiving, but there are spaces in the box that I could use, and it doesn't have to be for Thanksgiving. Alrighty, then here we have behind the lid here, this is the lid to that box, but behind it is a card, a birthday card. See, it says sending birthday wishes. That was 10 cents for that card, and 10 cents for this card. Look at that. How cute. Even inside the card, look at that. Beautiful. 10 cents at the thrift store. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. We went over everything. This is the piece that I will use as an above ground swimming pool. These are the shower curtain hooks, the box, the wooden houses, and the cards. And never mind, back there you do see some owls, but I shared those with you in a different video. But they're just there because I'm using their space to share all this with you. Alright, so I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed the idea. And thank you so much for watching.